Transcription refers to the process of converting spoken language, usually from audio or video recordings, into written text. Software-based tool powered by artificial intelligence, AI, or speech recognition technology. Transcription means using a digital assistant like Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, or specialized tools like Otter.ai or Rev to listen to spoken words and automatically write them down as text. Converts speech to text in real time or from recordings. Can be used for meetings, interviews, lectures, or voice notes. Often includes punctuation, speaker identification, and timestamps.
Hello, everybody. My name is Grace Luxine, and I am the CEO and founder of Surge Freelancing Market Program. We'll be using Gmail. So if you don't have a Gmail yet, please go ahead and create one and then use it in registering here. And then after that, please just go ahead and choose this one right here, Masterclass Virtual Assistant. And then afterwards, click on register. If you have additional course, then you can go ahead and send us an email here. Now, usually the verification process will take 12 to 24 hours depending on the influx of registration, but we usually also follow the first register first process, kind of like the first come first serve. And we will notify you once your registration has been approved. So please monitor your email and please wait at least 12 to 24 hours. Once you have been approved, you can just go here again under courses.researchmarketplace.com, and this time you go and click on login and you don't register anymore, but use your registered email or username and then your password, and then you log in. Once you have logged in, it's important that you go to your account. You will know that you're already logged in because instead of log in here, the option is log out. All you have to do is just go here under account. So click on that, and then afterwards, you go and scroll all the way towards the bottom. You can see here beside the VA agency startup course, the Masterclass Virtual Assistant. So all you have to do is just click on that, and then you will be able to see all of the video lessons per day, and then you can go ahead and start. Now, each day has different video lessons. It's all here, and then you can also see that the video lessons are presented first, and then the notes, and then the portfolio, okay? And then another video, notes, portfolio. Each day has different types of the number of videos. Like for example, for day 1, I think it has 4. For day 2, it has more. If you scroll here under day 6, okay, so you need to ensure that you're watching everything. Watch all of the videos, and then towards the end you will have more specific details on how to submit your portfolio. That portfolio, just like in week 1, will be monitored, and you can see that it's already okay through the class record, and that will be the basis of our certificate of completion. Now, when everything is completed for week 1 and week 2, you will receive a certificate of completion. Now, know that you can actually have different options here. So if I'm going to click this one at the very bottom, it has the night option or the black theme, and this one is white. So you go according to your preferences. You can also add here the subtitles so you can see what I'm talking. Now, it's not always correct, okay, because this is AI generated, but you can at least somehow get a perspective on, what are the words that are being uttered. Peace.